Welcome back to Porcupine Place. This is Lori. Sam's downstairs in the basement getting tools because we have a tiny little mini project today, and that is to install a couple cupboards that are from this kitchen we bought, just kind of a temporary solution. So what we've got going on here is a base cabinet with an upper cabinet. Here he is. And we're just going to put it here in what will be the coffee center at some point. It's one of those things where we have to do a bunch of temporary things to make space for construction. So we've got a cupboard here that's going to get emptied and put over the coffee center so that we can hopefully maybe on this trip work on this wall, take out that big window, that door, and put in a sliding glass door right there. One of the other things we might do this trip, we'll just see, it's a shorter trip than usual. We might go get the wood for this wall, and we'll take the cupboards back down and perhaps do this wall. We'll see.
I really like that bathroom one and that.
Which one?
Future living room, now bedroom walls. These two.
Yeah.
Because then we could get the TV mounted.
Right.
And
TV's going here. Sam's getting all his electrical figured out. I need to take the rest of this flooring out here because I keep tripping on it. And we're gonna also work on, it's gonna be loud, I'm gonna open the door. We have the generator running to get our batteries topped up. But we're gonna finish that front little step with some stairs on it so that we can start using that door so we can take out this door. Where do I want that?
Take measures right here, so if you want to measure.
I mean, it's not really critical because it's coming right back off.
As long as it looks okay for now.
Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. You're not gonna be impressed that you're not wearing a hat right now.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, people like it when it's real, Sam.
It's about as real as it gets.
Struggling to feel ambitious today. It's we drove the 15-hour drive yesterday, so we have to still go into town, get our groceries. We had to mow the lawn, did some weed whacking already today. So yeah, this is just a mini project. Trying to take bite-sized projects today. What was in this spot for our coffee center were these two really ugly stacked end tables,
They were meant to be coffee
tables.
In fact, I think I knew people that had those coffee tables.
I don't know if you can see these 70s doors on them. But anyways, they were just stacked and stuck there. So hey, you use what you got, right? Why spend money on things that, eventually you're going to take out of here anyway. So. And this is kind of neat. So this was a used kitchen that we bought off of someone that was redoing their kitchen. So, we're not using brand new cupboards in here, which is fine. It's just a camp. But look at this, it's kind of fun. It's got a built-in spice rack. But because this is our coffee center, I think eventually it could end up being like a Keurig cup holder or something. It's kind of neat.
And all your fancy sprinkles and
Oh,
cinnamon.
Yeah, so you know
Yeah.
me, right? I just all the fancy stuff.
You just love your Starbucks.
Oh, I hate Starbucks. Sorry, Starbucks.
Yeah, we just flushed away any potential ever
Oh,
Starbucks sponsorship.
There goes that sponsorship. All
Neither
those.
one of us are a fan.
No, I like the lattes. I just find the coffee too strong for me. I'm a wimp. I have very weak coffee. Cool. All right, one cupboard in. Ta-da! That's nice, eh, Sammy?
Yes, it is. So they were cupboards that didn't have a home.
Yeah. It's not quite what I want to do for this little coffee center, but I actually end up putting a little Nescafe, some of our spices in there. Everything's nice and neat and organized. Love it. That's a good temporary solution until we're ready to do what I want to do there. I might do open shelving at some point when I have a different pantry and I can. But yeah, it's a start.